everyone, welcome to the new session, new video. The topic is discrimination of class 6th. In this chapter, discrimination, we will learn some common contents, difference, prejudices, stereotyping, caste-based discrimination, what are the types, inequality and discriminations, and steps to end this discrimination. So, let us start the topic discrimination. Some common connections between diversity and discrimination. The word discrimination, what does it mean? Diversity may lead to discrimination. That means if we have different choices, so we confused. Sometimes people who are different from others are teased, laughed by others because they are not related to the certain activity. They are not as they all are or other groups. Now, step by step, we will understand the topics. What makes us what we are, how we live, the languages we speak, what we eat, wear, the games we play, festivals we celebrate. These are the basic questions that arises when the term discrimination comes. Discrimination arises from prejudices. What the word prejudice means, I'll tell you in Hindi. गलत धारणा, discrimination, भेदभाव. So we are conditioned to believe in. It may create prejudice. Prejudice means fake thinking about others or in many ways. Like if we believe tribals are backward, tribals who are lived in jungles, tribals are backward, villagers are illiterate, and people wear costly clothes are rich. That doesn't mean that these all are different. They don't have any caliber this much. So such examples create the prejudice, galat dharana. So prejudices and stereotyping are sometimes similar sounds. Stereotyping is also similar and resembles to prejudice. Stereotyping means making inflexible and unchangeable images of expected behavior from a particular groups. The first is prejudice. The second is stereotype. P-O-T-Y-P-I-N-G. So, these sounds common. Stereotyping means making inflexible and unchangeable images of unexpected or expected behavior to others from a particular groups. Caste-based discrimination. If we are talking about caste-based discrimination, caste-based discrimination is very common in India. The caste system is based on a system of social stratification. The stratification, the word STRATIFICATION. It means division in certain groups. reason in certain groups. These may happen in caste-based discrimination. In the caste-based discrimination, you people heard about pratha, nichi jati, uchi jati. Caste system is divided the society into 4 castes. I'll write 4 castes on the board. The first is Brahman. The first is Brahmins. The second is Kshatriya. The third is Vaishya. Vaishya. And the fourth is Shudra. So these 4 castes are divided by the society. It creates discrimination. Discrimination based on caste is common in some places. There have been crushing of lower caste. They have been kept away from the mainstreams. Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar are the farmers who has changed this caste discrimination to the society. So Mahatma Gandhi come forward for the Harijans. They come for the Harijans. They want to change the life of Harijans. But the new term form of this is untouchable. It much affected but not that point. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar also did many efforts for Dalit. Because he is also a Dalit person. He belongs to a Dalit family. It changed his life and to do something for the Dalits. The other form of discrimination is racial discrimination. These are the points that we covered in discrimination. So, racial discrimination, you can say the black people and white people. You stands and you people, you heard about that black and white peoples whose body color is black are not supposed to interact with the white peoples. Other people humiliate them by this racial discrimination, and this may create the prejudice. On the other side, gender and sex discrimination is also common in some places. You can say that females are not supposed to go out to purchase or to go to do something. But nowadays it's very known because we see many films and programs based on the gender and sex. The girls are not for the study. It is a basic rule that has been created in the people or men. They do household works only, and during the marriage, dowry and parda pratha is being taking place. Most of the things are happened with the females. These are the problems that females stick it out. Somewhere lingual, somewhere religious. These are the discrimination that India suffers, is still alive in the society. Religious practice does not allow religions to influence the decision making of government. People refuse to mingle with their own religious and community. So many news heard and seen by the televisions and on the newspapers. People are not interested to give accommodation in certain housing societies because of the discrimination. All are misplaced prejudice which have no foundation but only ignorance. Hundreds and thousands of people with the disabilities are facing this kind of discrimination in different ways. You can say disabled, discrimination, disabled discrimination. In this category, those who are disabled persons are not common to the other peoples. One of the problem for disabled people is all the time they have to prove that they are capable enough to other peoples as they are. They can tackle the responsibilities if they got a chance. Finally, the government create an act, that is the Disability Act. Disability Act in 1995 provides reservation in government jobs for disabled persons, but after some times it is not effective for the longer time. Similarly, it has happened in the employment discrimination, and discrimination occurs when the resources available in the society. We are in the diverse country, so discrimination is already also exists. So diversity creates sometimes discrimination. So discrimination occurs when the resources available in the society are not distributed evenly to all its citizens. The rich get facilities but denied for the poor. They were ignorant, illiterate and poor. Social equality is an effective way to deal with this problem. So, discrimination is in many ways. You already learned from this video that discrimination is based on the lingual, on the caste, on the disability, on the racials. These are the points that comes under the discrimination. Thank you. Thanks for watching.